Hi guys, if you want to learn how to make this crunch, oh my gosh, if you guys want to learn how to make this crunchy squishy, really easy to make, this is all you'll need. This little bottle thing, some beads, and last but not least, a balloon. So first you're gonna grab this and then you're gonna put the balloon on it. Seriously, it ripped! I'm gonna try that again. You have to blow it so I can make a little hole to put the bead in. Now you put in some beads. And it's actually really easy to make. Yeah. Don't worry. It ripped again, seriously, but we're gonna cut out that part. Guys, I'm just gonna use this balloon. Because that one is on my back. It's itchy. Okay, so. What? Alright. You guys can use any beads. I'm using candy beads. Oh my god. I'm actually using candy beads. So this is how it's gonna turn out if you follow my step. It's really hard to stop putting your hands. It's hard to stop getting your hands off it. Almost done. So you are just balloon. seeds on the cup, the empty cup, so I put that cup. I just figured out how to make this today. I'm done. Oh, well, that's about it. So now I get tired.
Hay que ver cuánto puede soportar el equipo de Atlante, ¿no? Porque ya vimos cómo en esos tiempos de partido, los momentos de juego
Tired? Now then, yeah, grab. Hold on. Yeah, guys, we're all finished. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, guys.